Assalamu alaikum foodies, welcome back to Rizwana's Rasoi. Today I'm going to make a very interesting appetizer recipe with chicken called chicken pakora. This recipe is quite different from your usual pakora recipes and also makes for an amazing evening snack. So let us check out the ingredients and get started. For this recipe, I have first taken around 300 grams of boneless chicken which I have washed and then cut into small size cubes. I have kept the pieces small so that it cooks faster. These are 2 medium sized onions, thinly sliced. Next is some finely chopped coriander leaves, mint leaves and curry leaves. Also I have taken 3 finely chopped green chilies. This is 150 grams of gram flour or besan, 1 tablespoon of curd or yogurt, 2 tablespoons of rice flour. You can also substitute it with corn flour, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. For the spices, I have taken 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Next is around 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Finally, salt to taste and oil for frying. First step is marinating the chicken. So to the chicken I am going to add 1 tablespoon of curd, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Then in goes all the spices, that is Kashmiri red chili powder, garam masala and turmeric powder. Salt to taste. Then add in the lime juice. And in goes mint leaves, curry leaves, coriander leaves and finely chopped green chilies. Now mix all the ingredients with the chicken. Now I am adding just 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. This is to ensure that all the masalas sticks to the chicken properly. The chicken is now mixed well with all the ingredients and I am going to leave it to marinate in the refrigerator for around 2 hours before we start frying the pakoras. So our chicken has been marinating for around 2 hours. The more time you leave it for marination, the more will the flavors get infused. You can also do this marination step well before and then fry in the pakoras whenever you have to serve. Now just before you start frying the pakoras, you can add the thinly sliced onions. Do not add the onions before itself, otherwise it would release water and make the mixture soggy, so your pakoras will not turn crispy. After adding in the onions, combine it well with the chicken. Now the last step is to add in the gram flour and rice flour. I have not added any water. The moisture from the onions itself is enough for the binding. So now our mixture is ready for deep frying. Now in a kadai I have taken oil for deep frying. Make sure the oil is nice and hot and drop in the pakoras one by one. Take smaller portions. So in this way you can fry in the pakoras in batches. Make sure that you do not overcrowd the kadai. Fry them well till they turn crispy and golden brown. The chicken has to cook through till the inside. So fry the pakoras on low flame. Once the pakoras are golden brown in color, you can remove them on a paper towel. Repeat the same with the rest of the mixture. They need not be in any definite shape or size. Drop them in small portions this way. So our next batch of chicken pakoras are ready. So friends, our crispy chicken pakora is ready to be served. Serve it hot with some tomato ketchup or mint chutney, and also don't forget to grab a cup of tea. Do subscribe to my channel and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Until we meet next time, it's bye from Rizwana's Rasoi. Thank you for watching.